Try this the next time you need to make a PowerPoint presentation. Add an image to the slide, remove the background of the image, crop off any blank space, then move it off the slide, keep it for later. Choose a background image, stretch it to fit the screen, add a rectangle and fill it with white. Add a text box, enter your text, and select a nice wide font so like impact. Then resize it to fit. Fit the shape to match the text, so it's just above and below. Center it. Select both shapes, go to merge shapes and then subtract, and then stretch it to fill the whole screen. Then on the picture format, set the transparency to about 25%. Then take the image from earlier, cut and paste it loads of times to cover up your image. You can flip it horizontally and then cut and paste a whole load more so that the text is completely covered. Then duplicate your slide. Then on the second slide, move off all the images to reveal the text. Then under transitions, select both slides and go to morph. And there you go.